Oh shit, that shit fell behind me.
Stun gun go! The live wires need to play.
I got someone.
I pick it back up. Oh shit, he's on me. Okay, you runner. There's another one. Oh man, you must get melee to death.
Oh my god, dude! Get the fuck out! Wow, Crocs are awesome.
Who was that? It's so difficult to walk all day.
Oh my god, dude!
Guys, come on. We're all looking at this fucker. No.
I got
I fucking downed it. Why do people have stun guns? I won't play my fucking account while I'm fucking at work so I can get more points. Because Connor's fucking controlling me, so I only get 50 points per game. Bitch!
On it. Got it.
Saw him. You saw him? To your left? No? Behind? Lucky you don't see it.
We're good.
They're not on it. They're on it now. Run out.
We go in, we kill, we run out.
We go in and out.
In.
Got him.
Ah! Help me! Help me!
Help!
They're on it! Oh, never mind, we have it.
Connor is fucking trolling me so hard.
What are you talking?
I got a fucking shitty ass score because of your ass.
Yeah, it's all Connor's fault. All Connor's fault.
Always Connor's fault. He fucking baiting me, bro. He's always baiting me. Always
This
baiting
fucking
me.
knife kid is scary as fuck, bro.
Oh.
You won't do?
That's the only one that's left. What do you mean?
For the remaining member of the big splash.
You're right, you're right.
Picked it up. He picked it up.
Third party, of course. Third party.
All eyes are on the live wires. Last contestant. This could be a chance for them to get over the line. That's a cash out by the live wires.
I'm at fucking 1k damage. Say less. What the fucking fight, everybody?
And there is another vault available for our cash-hungry teams.
You're 45 short of 1k, brother.
He's one hit. A fucking heavy on pink.
Got him.
Just one hit.
Wires are opening vault 3.
Baby. Oh, fucking. Oh shit. What the fuck?
Oh my god!
Contestant left
This
for the
purple
Retros.
team is actually so scary, dude.
Teammates as well as they revive Trend.
One of you fucking miles away.
On them.
Who is it?
Go.
Where?
Teabag, teabag.
Yeah, you do it. Do it.
I did. Already.
I love it.
They're on it.
We rush that shit.
Dead.
Yeah, honestly. Although it's almost time for. I got one pink. We have to go for it.
Go.
Smoke it.
I'm dead.
Just a nice guy.
We need to steal it now. We
I
have
have
to
to
steal now. We have to stick now.
There.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Making it rain here.
God damn. are the ones behind y'all. Not gonna lie. NGL is what the kids
Yeah,
say
I'm stealing, I'm stealing, I'm
nowadays.
stealing, I'm stealing.
No, you're fucking not, because we're not there. I hate heavies! Fuck these hoes in their RPG. Fucking shot.
Wash away the mistakes they made there.
One's dead. They're on it. Two.
So slow. I'm like walking so slow. Stop yelling at me, bro. I'm rezzing you. Fucking be aggressive. Be appreciative. I got it, yes.
I got it. What do you mean? There's too many.
I got the res, bro. What do you want from me? I love the res.
Oh shit, did we win that, dude?
I
We were
got the
literally trolling the whole time. How the fuck did we win that?
Fortune on the line today. Our
I
contestant
got
sure
Leon,
has a
that's
great
what he
show.
put those.
24.